special to you for watching this video. Okay, so I'm going to make a little bar fridge to put in a bar. I've got this little box with some other medicine in that, but it's a real sturdy plastic, and I want like a glass door, so that's why I like this one. I'm gonna put it cover it with the foam board. I'm gonna use white so that on the inside of the bar can on the sides and on the back, so the inside of the fridge is white, and on the outside I'm gonna cover it with this foil, aluminum foil. I'm gonna cover it on the outside. I'm gonna use this for a little rack on the inside, and then to put my cool drinks in. I don't know what it is, but yeah, it's something plastic. And then just little like matchsticks, little craft sticks for the side to, I wanted the rack to slide in because it's got a little hangover thing here on the side, so it would actually make that nice. And then this is just a stapler of what you get in boxes. It's that staplers. I'm going to use that for the handle, and yeah, I'm going to use a piece of balsa wood also by the door and the handle. I'm going to make it silver, so I'm going to just get that out. Okay, and then obviously I'm going to have to fill up my fridge then after I've finished building it. And I've got some beers here I'm going to put in the fridge, and then I'm going to make some cool drinks. Out of this is also from that nebulizer my husband used, some stuff he put in there. And I'm going to use this for bottles, cool drink bottles, and I've got it's like print out, so I've got from My Simple Kids Crafts. Thank you for your print outs, 3 print outs. So I'm going to use that for cool drinks that I know we get here in South Africa. Like for instance, this is out of a magazine, Stony Ginger Beers, that is South African. So yeah, I'm going to definitely put one of those in my fridge. And yeah, and then color in whatever, but yeah, you will see what I'm going to do, all the stuff. So yeah, I think it's time to start building this fridge. I want my bar, so yeah, let's get started. Okay, so my bar fridge is finished. I'm really happy with how it came out. Um, yeah, I think I'm gonna put a stone in here as well. I said definitely. And yeah, I've made a few more cokes, but yeah, someone like me can never have enough cokes. So yeah, let's go put this in the bar now. Okay, so let's put the bar fridge where it belongs. Perfect. I'll say, and I'm gonna put my extra cokes next to that, and there you go, my bar fridge is on its place, and my extra cokes is next to it. So yeah, I like that. That's very nice. So my bar is coming on, and all that's left now is the decoration for in the bar. So yeah, that's in the next video. So I hope you enjoy this making of this fridge, and yeah, well, I liked it, and the cool drink, everything turns out very cute. And so yeah, please give it a little thumbs up, and watch out for the next video for the decorating of the bar area, and see you then. Bye.